Good afternoon, dear children. Welcome to the maths class of Standard 5. Today we are going to start our new chapter, chapter 4, addition and subtraction. Okay, so in this chapter we will discuss the addition and subtraction of large numbers. Okay, so before moving to that, I want to ask you something. Children, tell me what is addition? Yes, addition means putting together. Addition means putting together. Okay, and do you know what is the symbol of addition? Yes, it is plus. Plus is the, here it's shown. Yes, plus is the symbol of addition, isn't it? Okay, now do you know the numbers which we are adding together have a name? What is that? Addends. Yes, the name is addends. Addends. The numbers which we are adding together is called addends. Okay, and the answer we will get after addition is called sum. What is that? Sum. S-U-M. Sum. Okay. Okay, so this is about addition. And can you tell me what is subtraction? Subtraction means take away. Okay, subtraction means take away. So if 10 apples are with me, I am giving 5 to my another friend, then it is taking, 5 is taking away from 10. That is subtraction. Okay, so the symbol of subtraction is minus. M-I-N-U-S. That is the way to read that symbol, and it is like this, minus. Okay, and you know how to add and how to subtract 2-digit, 3-digit, 4-digit and 5-digit numbers, isn't it? Yes. So today at first we will recall some addition and subtraction questions. Okay, addition and subtraction by doing some questions, and after that we will move to the addition and subtraction of large numbers. Okay, everyone ready? Alright, so let's move to the class. So look at this question, children. Let's recall addition and subtraction by doing these. So the first number 283 plus 150. Here 283 is a 3-digit number which has 3 places in it. Ones place, tens place and hundreds place. Okay. So let's add these two 3-digit numbers together. And you have to remember one thing, you always start the addition from the ones place. So here are the numbers 3 and 5. So how to add 3 and 5? Yes, keep the bigger number in your mind and the small number in your hands. Then count from after 5. Okay, here it is 5. That's why after 5 you can count. Okay, so after 5 it is 6, 7, 8. So 5 plus 3 is 8. Now 8 plus 1 is 9. 2 plus 1 is 3. So the answer is 398. Got it? Now let's move to the another question. Here it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a 5-digit number. Okay. So both are 5-digit numbers. So let's start from the ones place. 5 plus 2 is, yes, 7. 5 plus 2 is 7. Then 5 plus 4 is 9. 6 plus 2 is 8. 3 plus 2 is 5. 1 plus 1 is 2. So 25,897 is the sum of these addends. Okay. Now the next question, it's a subtraction question, isn't it? It's a subtraction question. So children, this is a subtraction question, and one more thing, the number which we are subtracting from a number is called subtrahend. Okay, so this is the subtrahend. Can you see? Okay, this number is called subtrahend. And from which number we are subtracting the subtrahend is called minuend. M-I-N-U-E-N-D, minuend. Okay, so this is the subtrahend, this is the minuend, and the answer we will get after subtraction is called difference. This is the answer is the difference, difference, difference. Okay, is it clear? So from which we are subtracting a number is called minuend. The number which we are subtracting is called subtrahend, and the answer we will get after subtraction is called minuend. Okay, keep this on your mind. Okay, so now let's do the subtraction. Here we can see it's a 4-digit number, both subtrahend and minuend, both are 4-digit numbers. So let's subtract from the ones place. Okay, so the ones place digits 5 and 3. So subtract 5 from 3. Okay, so that is 5 minus 3 is 2. So you can write 2 here. Then 8 minus 4. Here you can use two ways. If you want, you can take the number 4 in your mind, and then from after 4 you can count up to 8. Okay, you stretch the fingers and count up to 8. So it is 4, keep 4 in your mind. Then after 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many fingers open? 4 fingers. Yes. So you can write 4 here as the answer. Got it? Otherwise you can keep the bigger number in your mind, and then you can count backward up to 4. Okay, so start from 8. From after 8, 9, 7, 6, 5, 4. How many fingers open? 4 fingers. You will get the same answer. Okay, so if you want, you can backward count. You can count backward to get the answer. Otherwise, from the from the subtrahend, you can count forward up to the minuend to get the answer. Clear, children? Any one of this you can apply. Okay, now here it is 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4 is, yes, I am always doing starting from the subtrahend, I am counting up to the minuend. Okay, so 4, 5, 6, 2 is the answer. Then 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5, you count from 5. 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 numbers needed to make 5, 9. So 3 is the answer. Okay, so the answer is 3242. This answer is the difference of this subtraction. Okay, clear, children? Alright, so come to the next question. It's a 5-digit number subtraction. So let's start from the ones place. 5 minus 2. Okay, so 2, 3, 4, 5. How many fingers? 3 fingers. So 5 minus 2 is 3. So 4 minus 2. Start from 2, count up to 4. 2, 3, 4. Or how many fingers open? 2 fingers. So 2 is the answer. Next is 6 minus 3. Okay, so start from 3, count up to 6. That is 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 3. 6 minus 3 is 3. Then 7 minus 5. Okay, start from after 5. That is 6, 7. How many fingers open? 2 fingers. Now 4 minus 1. That we know 3. Okay, so we got the answer 32,323 as the difference. Okay. Now the next question is also based on subtraction. Okay. So here you have to check is both numbers are having the same number of digits. Check it. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The minuend has 6 digits in it, but the subtrahend has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits in it. Okay. When you are arranging these numbers as columns, you should be make sure that the numbers are coming according to the places. Okay, so the ones place digit in the second number should come below the ones place digit of the first number. The same way you should arrange. Clear? If the arrangement is wrong, then your answer will be wrong. Okay, if you are starting 2 from the highest place, your answer will be wrong. So make sure that the arranging in column is correct. After that, do the subtraction. Clear, children? Subtraction or addition. whichever operation is given to do, you have to check is both are arranged in a proper way. Okay, all right. Here the ones place digits are 9 and 1, so subtract from 9. 9 minus 1, 8. You can write. Now 8 minus 1, 7. Then 7 minus 4, yes, 7 minus 4, what is left? 3, yes. Then 6 minus 3 is 3, yes. Then 5 minus 2 is 3. Then now look at this position here. Below the number 4, nothing is given. Nothing is given there. So what the meaning of that? You have to subtract 4. You have to subtract. You have no need to subtract any number from the number 4. Okay. So you can put a 0 there. Okay. To understand, you can put a 0 there. That is, we are not subtracting any number from that number. Okay. So 4 minus 0 is 4, that number itself. So we got the answer 4,33,378. Clear, children? Alright. So this is the just a recall session of addition and subtraction. Okay. Now we are moving to the addition of large numbers. Okay. Let's do that. Children, look at this question. 403050906. It's a large number, isn't it? Okay, you know how to read these large numbers, isn't it? Yes. For the easy reading, and you can put the comma first, then it will be easy for you to read. So from after 3 digit, then after each 2 digit, you can put a comma. And we know this is 1 spirit, this is 1000 spirit, lakh spirit, crore spirit. So 40 crore, 30 lakh, 50,906. Very easily we can read this number now. Now look at the next one. I am putting the comma. First comma after 3 digits. Then after each 2 digit you can put a comma according to Indian system. So here this is 1 spirit, 1000 spirit, lakh spirit, crore spirit. Here it is crore spirit. Here it is only 1 digit. So it is 4 crore 44 lakh 33,222. Okay. Now children, look here. Here the first number has one more place, isn't it? Here it has a 10 crores place also, but the second number has the digits up to crores only, isn't it? So to add the bigger number, it's very if you are arranging these numbers in a place value chart, and then if you are adding, then it will be more easy for you to answer. Okay. So when you are getting a number like this, a big large number like this, you just arrange it in the place value chart first. Okay. And one below the other, you can arrange both numbers, and after that you do the addition. Clear, children? And here we can understand it is starting from 10 crore. So you have to draw the columns up to 10 crore. Okay. Then arrange that given number. Then and after that, when you are arranging the second number, you should start from ones place. Okay. Here the ones place digit is 2. So you start from 2. Then second tens place digit is 2. Hundreds place is 2 right here. Then 3. Again 3. Then 4, 4, 4. Then we will get one place empty here, and there you can put 0. Okay. So now let's start the addition. 6 plus 2. 6 plus 2 is, keep 6 in your mind, take 2 fingers after 6, 7, 8. So answer is 8. Now move to the second place. 0 plus 2. 0 plus 2 is 2 itself. If you are adding a number with 0, the answer will be the number itself. Okay. Now next one, 9 plus 2. 9 plus 2. Keep 9 in your mind and take 2 fingers and count from after 9. After 9 it is 10, 11. So the answer is 11. You know how to add with carryovers, isn't it? So from 11, the ones place digit we will write here, and the other digit will go to the next place as we will carry over that number to the next place. Clear, children? Okay. Now here we have to add 3 digits. That is 1, 0, 3. So 1 plus 0, 1. Then 1 plus 3, 4. So you can write 4 here. Okay. Now look at the next place. 5 plus 3. Keep 5 in your mind and take 3 fingers. After 5, 6, 7, 8. So you can write 8. Now move to the next place. That is lakhs place. The digits are 0 and 4. 0 plus 4, 4. Because if we are adding a number with 0, the answer will be the number itself. Here it is 4. That's why the answer is 4. Okay. Now move to the next one. That is 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4. First keep 4 in your mind and take 3 fingers. After 4, 5, 6, 7. Answer is 7. Now 4 plus 0 again. Answer is 4. Again 4 plus 0, that is 4. So we got the answer 44 crore 74 lakh 84,128. Clear, children? This way you can answer the addition questions with large numbers. Clear, children? Okay. And one more thing, can you tell me which are the add-ins here? Add-ins. Yes, the numbers which we are adding are called add-ins. So these two are the add-ins. And what is the sum? Yes, the answer we got is the sum. Clear, children? Okay. Let's discuss one more question. Children, now we are moving to the next question. Here the question is, put the comma, then it will be easy for you to read this number. Okay. So it is 16 crore 75 lakh 21,400 plus 35 crore 23 lakh 14,800. Okay, we have to add these two numbers together. So first you arrange these two numbers in a place value chart. Okay, so it's already arranged here. Both numbers are having 9 digits in it. So we arranged it, and now we will start the addition from the ones place. That is ones place digits are 0 and 0. So add 0 plus 0, 0. So you can write 0. 0 plus 0, 0. Then 8 plus 4. Keep 8 in your mind and take 4 fingers. Then after 8, that is 9, 10, 11, 12. The answer is 12. So the ones place digit, from 12, the ones place digit you write here, and tens place digit you can take to the next place. Okay, you can write that here. Now add all these 3 digits together. That is 1 plus 1, 2. Then 2 plus 4, 6. So you can write 6 here. Got it, children? Now then move to the next place. That is 10,000 place. Here the digits are 2 and 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. You can write here. Then move to the next place. That is lakhs place. That is 5 and 3. 5 plus 3 is, yes children, 5 plus 3 is 8. Okay. Then you can write that here. Then 7 plus 2 is 9. Okay. You can take the fingers and you can add. 7 plus 2 is 9. Then 6 plus 5 is 11. Isn't it? 5 plus 5 is 10. So 5 plus 6 is 11. So from 11, the ones place digit you can write here. The tens place digit you can carry over to the next place. So in 10 crores place, there will be 3 digits to add. That is 1, 1, 3. So 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 3, 5. Yes. So we got the answer. We got the sum 51 crore 98 lakh 36,200. Is it clear, children? Okay. So this is the way to add large numbers. Okay. I hope it's all clear for you. Everyone go through this very well. And I will send you some homework questions. Everyone answer that also in your notebook. Okay, dears. See you in the next class. Bye-bye.